Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Tonight, let's give one of you the H-10 brushless motor folding camera drone. Good luck everyone. The giveaway picker video will start in 1 minute. Happy Labor Day, guys. The winner will be selected at random by the giveaway picker. Stay tuned for new videos coming soon and more giveaways. I hope you're having a great day and thanks for stopping by. Here we go. Let's pick our winner. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Mitch Evett is the winner of the H-10. Congratulations, Mitch. I will contact you through the comments section and we will go from there. Thank you all for participating and for your support. Thanks for watching. Have a great night, and I'll see you next time here at Dare RC Hobby Reviews.